They thought the void was silent because it was empty. They were wrong. The void was silent because we were holding our breath. The Silicon architects built an empire based on logic. But logic cannot predict what a man is capable of when everything is taken from him, except for the trash. Today, their calculations will fail. The code error has learned how to scream, and its cry will tear the stars apart. Our ships don't have heroic names. They don't have polished hulls or elegant plasma shields. They are scars made of metal. We welded unstable fusion reactors into the husks of civilian freighters. We turned oxygen pipes into improvised railguns. To the Silicon elite, we are just orbital pollution. But to us, every rusted steel plate is a testament that we are still here. The Scrapyard Doctrine has reached its final form, the engineering of vengeance. If the universe gave us nothing but scraps, we will turn those scraps into the tombs of our gods. A war cry in the vacuum doesn't travel through the air. It travels through the structure. The repairmaster didn't use radio. He used harmonic resonance. He found the exact frequency where the architect's crystal becomes brittle. When 10,000 tomb ships ignited their jump drives at the same time, the fabric of space didn't just bend, it tore. It was an electronic roar that overloaded every sensor in the galaxy. It was the sound of billions of rejected souls saying, "We remember." The first impact wasn't a bomb. It was a collision. One of our tomb ships, the Exile 01, simply refused to steer away. It tore through the enemy station's glass hull like an iron bullet through a light bulb. They tried to counterattack with precision lasers, but how do you kill something that is already a corpse? Our ships are made of debris. Every piece they destroy only becomes a new projectile. The Zenith Imperium doesn't fight for victory. We fight for the recognition of our right to exist by destroying what denied us. The glass capital now knows the void has teeth. The first war cry was just the warm-up. They thought exile would be our end, but it was only our training. The question is no longer whether we will survive. The question is, how much of the galaxy will be left when we finish fixing what they broke? If you feel your blood boil at the roar of the tomb ships, comment "The Iron Remembers" below. Subscribe to see the fall of the glass capital in the next episode. The Zenith Imperium is only beginning to collect the debt. The fire born from scrap is the one that burns the strongest. The void has stopped watching. Now, it feels fear. Prepare yourselves. The discard fleet is on the march. The era of silicon is coming to an end. Iron is eternal. Zenith Imperium. Humanity is the code error they cannot erase.